Hi there. Today we're going to be going over how to do an import and an export of your product data that is currently in your store. In the previous video we showed you how to import products via an Excel sheet. Today we're going to show you how to do an export and edit that data that you've entered. First we're going to log into the admin, and in the admin section of your store we're going to navigate to Products, Import Export, and then Import Export Product Data. Here in the Import Export screen, we can choose which products we want to view in our Excel sheet. We can choose by manufacturer, distributor, or by category, or we can select all three if we'd like to. I'm going to choose one specific category and subcategory. I'm going to choose accessories and books and manuals, and click Go. By clicking Go, you're telling the system that you would like to have an Excel sheet made with all those products on there. In the top left, you'll see that it was a success, and we can now download here. By clicking download here, you will have the choice of either opening the file or saving the file. I'm going to open this directly. Once we have all the information showing, we can now see that we have all of our different columns and areas that are in there for our products. One column that you're going to want to leave alone and not change anything is column D, which is the SE name. That's used by the manufacturers and should not be changed at any point in time. You can, however, update the product name and a few other columns. If we scroll to the right, you'll see that we have the description, which can be edited. You can edit the SKU if you would also like to. If we scroll a little more to the right, you'll see now we have the column L, which is the SE keywords, column M, which is the SE description, and column N, which is the SE title. All of this information can be updated from here. Next, we have the column of published, which is a simple true or false statement. Do you want the product to be published in your store? In column P, you can also choose if you want to have the price for your product hidden until the product has been added to the cart. That is again a true-false statement. You can also update the XML package for the product. You can decide to show or not show the buy button. You can also change the image file name override. The main area that we're going to be focusing on is going to be these columns. We have column U for the cost, column V for MSRP, and column W for price. Column X is our sale price, and then we have UPP and MAP pricing. If your product has a UPP price, you can update that price here in column Z. If your product has a MAP price, you can update it in column AA. We're going to change a few products just for example. I'm going to update this UPP. I'm going to update it to $20.99, and I'm going to add a MAP pricing to this first product of $20.99 also. Once you've finished updating all the information that you're wanting to upload to the site, we'll need to save the file. Go to File and Save As, and I'm going to find a place where I would like to have this file saved. I'm going to call it productimport.csv. CSV is the file type format of this Excel worksheet that you will need to have the file saved as to import back into your store. Product import may contain features that are not compatible with CSV. Go ahead and click Yes at this moment. Once you've saved your file, we'll navigate back to our store, and we can import from the same screen that we're on, that we did the export on. Down here at the bottom in import, we'll just need to browse for our file. And once we've found our file that we want, we'll just need to click Go. What this is going to do is import any changes and updates that we've made to products to our store. As you'll see here, our import was complete and 32 records were processed. This is how you can run a simple import and export of product data on your store.